What's up team, Conor Sloan here and welcome to today's video. Now today we're going to discuss how to gain bigger, stronger and more powerful triceps by using nothing but your own body weight. Using your body as the most effective machine in the world. And we're going to rule out dips here because we're not even going to be using any equipment. No dip bar, no nothing, okay? The only thing you will need is your own body weight and a wall to perform one of the most advanced body weight mass building tricep exercises that there is to do, okay? But team, this is one thing that I struggled with throughout my fitness journey, was gaining bigger, stronger arms, okay? And whenever you begin to master some of these bodyweight movements, your arms will explode, okay? You'll gain that lean, athletic, strong, functional, and powerful triceps. And one of the main things with bodyweight training is you're always targeting more than one muscle group, so your forearms will really explode because of some of these movements. But as I said, the key is to push yourself, to bring the intensity and to actually implement what I'm telling you into your routine. So many people go wrong with watching a video and doing nothing about it. But if you want to get results and if you want to build your ultimate physique, you've got to push yourself because no one's going to do it for you, okay? So I'm going to talk you through some of the movements. Hopefully you'll take something from this video, as I said, implement it into your routine and take your physique, your functionality, your athleticism to the next level to push towards reaching your goals. So team, here's some of my favourite bodyweight only mass building tricep exercises. So team, the first movement is going to be your diamond grip push-up. Get your hands into a diamond grip position as shown. Aim to get the chest right down, touch the ground, fully extend your arms right back up into your starting position, and that right there is a perfect rep. So your next movement is going to be body ups. Fantastic movement to really help target the forearms and the triceps. So you can either place your hands with your forearms on the ground as shown, and then aim to fully extend your arms right up. Brilliant movement to really help target and build up those triceps. Or you can place your hands with your palm of your hands touching the ground like shown and fully extend your arms right up. So team, the next one is the X push-up. Get your hands into the X push-up position as shown. Aim to fully extend your arms right up, pushing off your forearms. Absolutely fantastic movement to really help strengthen up and build up those powerful triceps. So the next one is your 1.5 dive bomber push-up. This movement isn't just a tricep building exercise. You're focusing on building up and strengthening the chest, the forearms, the triceps and the upper back. Absolutely fantastic movement. So as you can see, perform your dive bomber, come back into that halfway position, fully extend up and then right back into your starting position, and that right there is a perfect rep. So the next one is going to be a close hand push-up, similar to the diamond grip, only your hands are placed chest width apart. Brilliant exercise to really help target the forearms, the triceps and the chest. Aim to get the chest right down and touch your hands as shown. The next one is your Pike diamond grip push-up. So diamond grip, hand position as shown, and then aim to get your tippy toes up in the air, hips up high, and aim to get that nose right down through the diamond grip. Brilliant movement to strengthen up the forearms, the triceps, the upper chest and the upper back. It's a very tough movement, but if you focus on getting stronger, you will see amazing results. So the next one is a decline diamond grip push-up. So it's a diamond grip hand position, only this time your feet are elevated, increasing the range of motion, therefore making the exercise more difficult and overloading your body to strengthen up those triceps and to gain more muscle and size. So if you get stronger at this movement, get stronger at decline, Pike, diamond grip push-ups, you will be ready for the next movement, which is your diamond handstand push-up. Definitely the best overall mass building tricep exercise that you can perform with your body weight, but it's certainly the most difficult. Learn to master it and you will build your ultimate physique. So team, there it is. There's some of the most effective mass building, bodyweight only tricep exercises that you can go ahead and implement into your routine to push towards building your dream physique, building those bigger, stronger, leaner, powerful and more athletic triceps. And the true beauty of bodyweight training is you need no gym membership, no equipment. You're using the body as the most effective machine in the world. So drop down, perform some of those movements right now and leave a comment and let me know what you think of them. And remember, every rep counts to push towards your goal. So team, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave a thumbs up. Please be sure to subscribe so you never miss a video. And if you're interested in the Building Your Physique 90-day transformation coaching program, click the link below and see if you're a good fit and apply now. But in the meantime, have a very good day and I'll see you in the next one.